Step 1. Check engine oil. First, make sure the generator is turned off and allowed to cool for 10 to 15 minutes to avoid burns. Remove the side panel of the generator and locate the oil filler cap. After the first use of a new machine, the oil should be changed after 10 hours of operation, or 1 month, whichever comes first. Thereafter, change the oil every 50 hours of operation, or every 3 months, whichever comes first. Open the oil drain plug. Place an oil collection tray at the bottom, and drain the old engine oil completely. After draining the old engine oil, add fully synthetic engine oil. Fill the engine oil up to the bottom of the threaded opening. The engine oil capacity is 0.6 L. Insufficient oil will shorten the generator's lifespan. Or after adding oil, use the dipstick to confirm the oil level is above the 80% mark. Install the dipstick and wipe away any remaining oil. Step 2. Clean the air filter. It is recommended to clean the air filter every 3 months or 50 hours. Too much dust will affect intake efficiency, leading to increased fuel consumption and decreased power. Clean with gasoline or detergent. The air filter should be cleaned every 6 months or 100 hours. After cleaning, use a towel to absorb the gasoline and let it air dry in a cool place. Next, replace the side panel and tighten all screws to ensure it's securely in place. Step 3. Check spark plugs. Remove the spark plug cap and use a spark plug socket wrench to remove the spark plug. It may be a little tight the first time you remove it, which is normal. After removing the spark plug, check the spark plug head for carbon deposits or oil stains. Clean the electrodes with WD-40 and make sure they are completely dry before reinstalling. Measure the plug gap with a caliper. The proper gap is 0.6 to 0.7 millimeters, 0.024 to 0.028 in. If the spark plug is damaged or cannot be cleaned effectively, replace it with a new one. Spark plugs should be checked every 6 months, or 100 hours of operation, and it is recommended to replace them every 2 years or 300 hours. Finally, reinstall the spark plugs, tighten them, and insert the spark plug caps. We still strongly recommend adjusting the inspection and replacement schedule based on your actual usage. In high load or harsh environments, performing maintenance earlier can reduce failures and extend the generator's lifespan.